Hello and welcome to Fulda. This is the first edition of the camper van show here. In this case I've got a motorhome from Eura Mobil. This is their Integra line and a rather attractive vehicle. Now I haven't got a price here to give you, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. And right, so coming in here we see that we've got a 4-person, because there's a vehicle, there's a bed up there, it's got this wonderful styling, and okay, there's a carpet down here. The carpet is hiding the fact that there's a double floor, and in the double floor we find storage as well as access to such things as the water tank. So all the technical stuff has gone into the double floor. Come round to the back to start off. We've got a German layout here with storage all the way around, and we have storage down there, and on this side we have got a wardrobe. There is a ladder up here, but when it's not in German layout format, we've got some steps which you may just be able to make out behind the ladder. Toilet with a sliding door here, and elegant look. And in here we have the shower, which shall I try and open this? No, I'm not going to try and open it because no, I'll just leave it. You have to try and see through there what the shower actually looks like. So shower there. It's got this one's got the addition of the Truma Aventa air conditioning unit, which was introduced around 2020, if I remember rightly, 2019. And also, if you want to close the door here to lock yourself in, you can do so. This is a sliding door. In the kitchen we will find 3 burners and a sink, which is quite large. I'm going to have a look quick bit closer look at the kitchen, the hobs there, and electro piezo what do you call it, ignition, elegant drawers. Mind you, it only takes 15 kilos. And we've got here the gas controls. If the carpet weren't down here, I'd have shown you the storage in the double floor. But what I can do though is I can come over here and show you the storage of here. Now the carpet's there to protect the floor from people walking, damaging it, scratching it potentially. We've got a door on the driver's side, which seems to be in vogue again from several years when they didn't do it. Personally, I would rather not have a door there. I'd rather just use the habitation door for my coming in and out needs, but I do accept that that's a minority opinion, that most people do want a door so they can nip out to put some fuel in the vehicle. The bed will drop down manually, and there's a television there. I think that's a very attractive seating group. And up here we've got USBs, we've got a Truma, we've got the way of taking the step in and out. We can see what the score is on our how much water we've got in the tank, and turning a 12 volt on. And here's the Alde heating, and so we've got Alde and Truma. So Alde heating, Truma is the boiler in this case. Fridge here, which I think is good. I thought it was going to be locked. You've got a lock on it. But anyway, it's a fridge with a lock on it, and storage up there. Oh dear, left all the vehicle documents in it. Right. So a quick look round at a rather attractive vehicle. As I come out, of course, there is a fly screen in the door. There it is. And there's a bin in the door as well. The door also has a window. A rather useful feature, I feel. Now the toilet is one of these SOG ones, and that is a toilet which doesn't actually use what do you call them? Fluids, the stuff you put in to break down whatever goes into the toilet. It's got a huge garage here, which I suspect might be open. Indeed it is. And look at that enormous garage. The door on the other side isn't quite as big as the door on this side, but still, that isn't bad. And oh, we've got some of the stuff here that goes with it, the mats that go up front, and you have an idea what else we've got in the vehicle. And that's for the awning. Yeah, the Thule Omnistore awning. It's also got a TV antenna on the roof. So you have the details of the company, Auto Able Service, or Auto Service Able, and the telephone number, if you can see that, and you can also, you'll find them online as well, and there'll be a link, I'll try to put a link in to their website. As you see, the door on this side, it's not as big as the one on the other side. There may be a technical reason for that, but I don't know what it is. There's the cupboard for the gas, and here we find the door from the outside that I mentioned earlier. So, integrated motorhome, and hope you found that interesting. And so I've been here. Today's the first day. It's a 4-day event. You can see here, but this company, Auto Service Able, has brought 55 vehicles here. So some of them are used, some of them are new, and well, not many used ones, in fact, and they'll go very quickly. But you see the Trigano dealers, so they've got Eura Mobil, Foster, Carmen Mobil, and they've also got some Volkswagens as well. Volkswagen less, and a Morello, and the latter two companies, of course, vehicles are not part of Trigano, unless there's been some financial changes since last time I heard. So thanks so much for watching. I upload every day at 21:15, and if you're not watching this as a premiere, tonight at 21:15 there will be, or tomorrow if you tap 21:15, there will be a premiere, and I always try to be present for the premieres. I said try because it's not always possible. Sometimes I'm traveling and I don't have access to the internet. Today I'm traveling and I do have internet access, so I will be present for the premiere this evening. I can't remember what we have for this evening, but it doesn't matter because this is going to be in the future when this comes up. So if you're interested, this is the largest site for motorhomes and campervans on YouTube, and lots of vehicles on here. Thanks very much for being here, and all the best from me in Fulda, Germany.